Where are you going? Emery. Hey. Uh-oh. Getting a little wobbly.
No. Going everywhere where we don't want you to go.
Come here. Come see Daddy. Emery. Uh-oh, Belle got a sock.
Emery, where are you going? Good cord.
Hey.
I think we have to deal with this.
Bring her over here. Hey, Emery. Crawl somewhere. Oh, you're going to pull up? Let her. I don't have anything to grab onto. Oh, you're coming to the toys now. Hey! Oh, you found your toy bucket. Hey, sweetie. Belle's got your sock back there. You better get it from her.
I don't know if that's gonna work.
You gonna stand up? Bless you.
I think the cleanliness of the carpets.
Alrighty, that's it for now.